Here's just another view of the sleeve. So you can use any conductive fabrics that you find. This thin mesh one is absolutely lovely. Really delicate fabric. There's these ones which are not as flexible, but they bend nicely. If you get the soft ones, they still bend nicely, which is really good. So you can use them on the lower kind of cuff part of a sleeve, for example, and then you get into your super stretchies. So I love these. Are these beautiful mesh conductive fabrics, and then these are just silver stretchies, and oh my gosh, they're so lush. So these ones I didn't sew all the way. If you follow the tutorial, you'll see this. I've sewn them so that they just meet. They don't have to meet, but they meet right here. They go straight into the edging, and that's how they're kept secure, but they're just gorgeous. So I didn't want them to be kind of sewn all the way. I want us to maintain some of the natural properties. It's so tactile and just beautiful. And also just make sure that when it does hang down a tiny bit, that it doesn't touch. Make sure none of the two conductive fabrics touch to each other. They've got the little pockets, so all we've done is we've sewn from the top edge, sewn all the way down, and then across the way, and then up. You can stitch this by hand. I've used a machine. If you're going to use a machine, try and do the zigzag stitch, because it gives us a lot more flexibility and pull in our sleeve, which is great because this sleeve is neoprene, which is a very stretchy fabric. So where the little pocket bit forms at the top, that is where you'll then take your clip. So we've made these little clip connectors in a different tutorial, but these you can use just normal crocodile clips though, of course, and they just clip right onto the ends. And that will carry, as soon as someone touches, it carries it all the way through. And that's essentially how the glove works. So this is attached here to a circuit playground board, and then this lights up.